heart is not set on marrying the minister. And, more importantly, you're wrong about something else, too. That having fun is somehow sacrilegious. Didn't the little children all flock around Jesus? Now, do you think they would hang around to grouch?
Well, I've never thought of it that way.
Betsy, you'd be great for me. You'd keep me from ever becoming a gloomy Gus. Nobody could be a better minister's wife than a lovable lady who, on occasion, happens to be a lovable kook.
You almost maketh me change my mind. I do want to be with you forever and ever, amen. I am still worried. I can never be as good a person as you are.
I'll tell you what. You marry me, Betsy, and I promise you